Rusi Peterson with SpeakMethod.com. This lesson is on the A sounds of American English. If you found this lesson on YouTube, click the link under the video in order to read the words and see the longer lists. We're going to review all the sounds of the American English A. The short A, the long A, the open A next to N or M, and the schwa, which is the phonetic name for the simple sound as in up. Short A is A, as in cat. Long A is A, as in rain. Open A is ah, as in all. A next to N or M is air, as in animal. Let's practice with about 5 words from each column. Short A, repeat. At, have, had, has, add. Long A, name, say, same, play, way. Open A, all, want, also, small, water. A next to N or M. And, can, am, land, animal. Schwa, about, again, machine, above, final. Now let's compare. These words have all the different sounds of the letter A. Wax, wait. Wall, wham, was. Mad, made. Mall, man. Massage. In this word, this A sounds like this one sounds like ah, and the G sounds like je. Okay, that completes our lesson covering all the sounds of the American English A. Remember that to speak American English in a natural or fluent sounding way, you do want to be clear about all the vowel sounds. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Okay, this completes our lesson. Review all the pronunciation rules at www.speakmethod.com. Thanks. Bye-bye.